Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this lecture, we are going to count number of words in a sentence. How we can do it? So first again, we are going to create a function, words counter. And again, it will take, say a string or sentence, whatever it is. Of course, it will take sentence. Alright. So now the thing is, let's create a count variable and it will be so the first thing that we will do, we will split it. Okay, so str dot split. So what it will do, so to show you, print count. Okay, and for now let me pass, say, words counter. Let's write here, say, I love dogs. Let's hit enter. So the output will be this count, this one, string dot split. What it does, it will create a list of these three words. Okay, let me hit save and let's run it. So Python, yeah, there you go. It creates a list of three elements, these three words. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to count the length of it. Okay, so the thing is, if we wrap it inside length function, now what it will do, it will provide me a count of 3. So that's it. So now the thing is, what we will do, we will take input. So again, user underscore input equals, let's take the input, enter a sentence. Alright, and what we will do, we will pass it user count, user input, sorry, yeah. And what we are doing, we are printing the count here only. That's it. Okay. Okay, we can even write here like number of words in str. That's it. Now let's run it. So enter a sentence, say, my name is, again, Shubhriyo, and I love to explore more in programming. Let's hit enter. So number of words in my name is Shubhra is 12. Okay, so is it okay? The thing is, a better thing will be to provide a quote, right? So we can provide a quote here. Okay, first of all, let me check that whether it is 12 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Now let's hit it one more time. Let's enter a sentence and I love Python as it is user friendly. Yeah, see, now it is inside quotes. So I love Python, and as it is user friendly. Number of words 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope that you have found it interesting, and with these projects you are becoming confident much more, because next in few projects we'll be exploring something more in file handling, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. So yeah, okay. So that's it. See you in our next lesson. Till then, have fun. Take care.